All right, Michael Kittinger here, coming to you with Fractal CRM and how to verify your domain, your Facebook domain in the CRM. And so, what I recommend doing is when you're diving into Fractal CRM, one of the first things that I recommend doing, even if you're not sure if you're going to run Facebook ads in the future, is to go ahead and at least install a pixel, go ahead and get it set up, and go ahead and verify your domain. That way, as users, as people are coming onto your funnels, onto your website, you're at least collecting that data. Because if you don't have the pixel, if you don't have this stuff set up now, you're going to miss out on collecting that data for however long it is until you do get it set up. So go ahead, spend a few minutes, and it doesn't take very long, but you can go ahead and get it set up, and that way, again, you're collecting that data. It's pretty easy to do, but just wanted to walk you through it here. So first thing you're going to need to do is hop over to business.facebook.com. You'll log in. You'll set up a business account, and you can set up an ad account if you have a Facebook business page. You do need a business Facebook page in order to run ads. Those ads will come from that business page. So even if you don't post content on there or anything, go ahead and set up a new page for your business. You can set up an ad account and everything. To set up a new pixel, come here under data sources, and you'll want to come here to pixel. It is pretty easy. You just click add pixel, and basically what that's going to do is you just name it, give it the URL, and it's going to give you a code. So I'll show you here, test pixel. Continue. It's going to say set up the pixel now. And here we go. And so what you're going to do is just click manually add pixel to the website. It's going to give you this little snippet of code. Just click to copy it. Now, I do recommend turn on automatic advanced matching. But so then back in the CRM, if you come in here to any of your sites, your funnels, now you do have to install it on the global level of each funnel or each site. So I'll show you what I mean there. So if we come in here to new webinar funnel, let's say this is your funnel that you want to measure. Again, this could be your main website. You want to install it everywhere. If you come in here under settings, head tracking code, that Facebook pixel that we just copied, that code, you'll just click paste, and you will click save. And simple as that, your pixel is now on all these different pages, basically the entire funnel. So again, you can do that under websites as well. It's very easy to do, super simple. All right, cool. So once we have that, continue. Yep. Enter the URL. Again, you can kind of go through this. It's truly very simple to set up the events and everything. Now, a lot more Google, a lot more places are actually starting to kind of block some pixel related conversions. And so we have API conversions, which I'll show you here in a second. But you just want to go through there, go ahead and install your pixel on all your pages. It's pretty simple. All right, so brand safety. So this is something Facebook added a year or so ago, I think. And basically, you have to verify that you own that domain. So it's again, pretty simple. I'm going to walk you through it right now. So if we come in here and we do, looks like I did a test one. Let me just start over here. All right, so if we come in here and you add a domain, I'm just going to use example.com. Obviously, you would put in your own domain there and click add. So there are different ways, HTML file, DNS text, and everything. The meta tag is going to be the absolute easiest. And so basically, you just want to copy that, copy this meta tag. Now, what I do is I just take a notepad or create a draft email or what have you, and I just paste it in there. I'll show you why here in a second. So when you come back in here, let's say this is the start of your funnel. This is where, example.com is going to direct to. You just come in here to edit page. Come up to settings, SEO metadata, click custom meta tag. And so the name is going to be this part right here, Facebook-domain-verification. Just copy and paste that right there. And then your content is going to be this part in quotes. Copy and paste right there in content. You'll click save, and then you will come back here and you will hit verified domain. Now, obviously, I don't own example.com. That's not a valid domain, but that's how you do it. So you just take this meta tag. This is the easiest way to do it. We've got it all set up for you. And the meta name is just Facebook-domain-verification. And then the content's going to be those characters in the quotes right there. So again, super simple. And that will verify your domain. And that way you can start running ads and things for that.